supposed to be doing here? I thought that we were finished, baby. We don't have to talk. I guess I just know, 'cause you are not that.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video. I have been loving cleaning before the weekend. It feels so good to go into the weekend with a clean house. I think a lot of the times we focus on like all the cleaning that we have to do after the weekend, like Monday morning rolls around and it's not pretty. But I really find that this like cleaning on like a Thursday or a Friday and just giving like the house a good once over really helps, and I've really been trying to get into that habit. So that's what today's video is. I'm bringing you some cleaning motivation to get you guys ready for the weekend. I hope you guys enjoy it. In this video, I'm just going to be, like I said, giving my house like a good once over, nothing super thorough, just kind of like some of my daily chores, as well as my kitchen, because my kitchen really needed it. But that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I also wanted to say thank you to everyone that watched my last video. I did a life update video, and I've really been enjoying like reading your comments and all the advice that you guys are giving me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to let some music play. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I hope you guys have a great Friday, and I will see you next time. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. And I'm so sorry, before I go, I'm sorry if my voice is a little off. We're all kind of sick. Actually, in this video, Evelyn is home with me that day that I was cleaning. She's definitely a little under the weather, so she had some Tylenol, and at the end of this video, she is bouncing around everywhere. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are not as sick as we all are in my house.
You don't have to explain me, yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me, how can I forget that? It's not for me. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. We don't have to talk. I guess I just know, 'cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me. Yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me, how can I forget that? It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me, how can I forget that? So afraid of you, lying so far into. Yeah, I wanna know it, I wanna know it. When here it seems like dance on me. I am in a bed that whole kind of pretty. I see the day of dancing, I remain, I'll be dead to you. Yeah, I wanna know it. When here it seems like the hill. Yeah, I wanna know it. Now I'm feeling right. Yeah, give you my misery. Down peace. Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me. We'll take our hearts and run free into the wild. Into the running so fast, can you find me in the dark? Oh baby, close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart. Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be tamed. Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight and run free into the into the into the close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. guess we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time